Good morning, guys. I hope you are all doing fine. This is the video to help you to use Canva. These are the instructions for using Canva which are uploaded on Google Classrooms. So let's see the steps. The first is to go to the URL, that is canva.com, login. You need to log in using your school email address and password and then create a design. So let's start with the first step, that is going to the website. All right, this is the website. This you see, login with the Google. Last night when I tried it at my home, I had some trouble logging in directly with my school email address. So what I did, I first signed up. It's pretty easy. Basically the same thing, you have to put your email address and everything, and then I could log in. So I have already signed up, but if in case you have trouble logging in, then you use your first you sign up and then you log in. So log in using your account. It's working. Yep, my account is this. All right, so here I am at the home page of canva.com. You can design heaps of things, and so this time we are making a brochure to sell the house, which you guys will make. Here you can see create a design, brochure, poster, logo. You can scroll and have a look at different things, or you can go here under your name, create a design. There is a drop down. You click on the brochure. It will take you to the brochure page. Now there are different types of brochure pamphlets available ready for use, and I have chosen, let's choose this one. You can choose any, whichever you like. Let's choose this one. Here we can have a picture, and here we can put all the contents and everything. Because this already things are written it and I need to delete it. Okay, you can choose the background, you can change the background, and you can customize it according to your choices and your need of the house brochure. Too many things to delete, sorry guys. Okay, here we go. Some more, some more. Okay, here delete this line, delete this line, this. See, I can even delete the background picture. See, that's pretty cool, right? And I don't want this. Do we need this? No, I don't think we need this. Okay, now here on the left side you see templates, photos, elements, text, videos, and we go to elements. Okay, here you see grids. Let's choose this one. So now our pamphlet is divided into 2 pages. Okay, we can put a photo here, we can write a text here. Now here is under the templates there is photos. Now if you click on these photos, then the only photos which are already in Canva are visible. So in order to upload a photo from your computer or laptop, you need to go to uploads. And here I have already downloaded and uploaded in order to make a brochure. I was practicing at my home. So this is the photo which I have uploaded, or you can go here, upload an image or video from your laptop, and you can do it. I have already done it. So here I go, I use this and I put it here. See? So this is the picture of the house. I know it's cut, but you can edit it. I know you guys are very good in ICT. And here is some floor plan, because you know that this is a project which you are doing, STEM project, in which you are calculating perimeter, area and everything. So you need to have a floor plan with all your measurements. Okay, then you go here, text, add a heading. You can write as a heading house for sale. top. You can add a subheading, you can add the area, let's say Liverpool, and then you can add a little body text, maybe the address of the house. Now here somewhere you can also add some text about the features of the house, because in a brochure of the house the things which are there is how many rooms a house has, how many bathrooms, toilets, car parks, how close it is to railway station, or how close it is to a bus stop if there is no railway station in the suburb. So features you in the brochure, you tell why somebody should buy this house. So first of all, put some pictures of your model which you're gonna make. If it's not clear, then just take some photos right now from the internet and try to make some brochures, different kinds of brochures from Canva, just to practice. It will hardly take you some hours if you're already good in ICT. Otherwise, it will take little bit more time, but it's not difficult, trust me. So here you can put features of the house, and you can make dot points closer to railway station, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 2 car parks, things like that. And area, how many square meter is the house. So to find the area of the house, you need to do your worksheets of your maths, just trying to link everything together here. Okay, so this is how you make a brochure, and then you go to the file and then you save it. So when you save it and you go back to the home, you can see all your designs. Go to all your designs. Okay, see how many brochures I have made. Which one we did? We did this one. So I click on it. It's here. I can share it. I can download it to my laptop. So you can first download the image and then you can put it on the Google Classroom for your teachers to review. I hope this has helped you to understand how to use Canva. If any trouble or anything, please let your teachers know. If you want, I will make more videos, or I think this video pretty much covered everything what you guys require to make a brochure for your house. But try to do a good job and let us know how it went. Thank you.